What if the real secret to younger, smoother skin wasn't something you applied, but something you ate? After menopause, millions of women lose up to 30% of their skin's firmness, yet few realize their body can rebuild that collagen naturally. And the truth is, you don't need expensive creams or injections. You just need to understand how to feed the skin from within, because your body already knows how to heal itself. There's a quiet moment that every woman recognizes standing in front of the mirror one morning and noticing that her reflection has softened. The skin around the cheeks seems a little thinner. Fine lines linger longer than before, and the glow that once came effortlessly now takes a little more effort to find. As a women's health specialist for over 15 years, I've seen this moment touch women from all walks of life: teachers, nurses, mothers, artists. They all ask the same question: is this just what aging looks like? The answer is both simple and hopeful. What happens after menopause isn't merely a story of time passing. It's a story of biology slowing down, and that means it can be supported, reawakened, and gently restored. When estrogen levels drop, fibroblast cells, the microscopic builders that produce collagen and elastin, lose some of their spark. The skin becomes less resilient, not because it's broken, but because the builders inside have gone quiet. Yet when these cells receive the right nutrients, they can wake up and begin producing collagen again. Today, let's explore 5 science-backed foods that can help your body rebuild its natural firmness, smoothness, and glow from the inside out. Because aging beautifully is not about chasing youth. It's about learning how to work with your biology wisely, gently, and consistently. 1. Berries, the guardian of your collagen. Before we rebuild, we must protect what already exists. Every day, your skin fights invisible battles: sunlight, pollution, emotional stress, all of which release unstable molecules known as free radicals. These tiny invaders attack healthy cells and gradually weaken the collagen that gives your face its tone and firmness. Berries, especially blueberries, blackberries, raspberries, and strawberries, are your skin's most powerful allies in this fight. They are rich in anthocyanins, the pigments responsible for their deep, vibrant colors. These compounds are among nature's strongest antioxidants, proven to neutralize free radicals, reduce inflammation, and even prevent UV-induced collagen breakdown. A 2021 study in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology found that women who consumed anthocyanin-rich foods maintained smoother, more elastic skin and showed significantly less collagen loss after sun exposure. Beyond protection, berries also nurture. Their natural vitamin C and polyphenols help stabilize existing collagen and enhance microcirculation, allowing oxygen and nutrients to reach every skin cell more efficiently. This is why women who eat berries daily often describe their skin as alive again, not just smoother, but fresher, brighter, and full of energy. Incorporate a handful of mixed berries into your daily routine. Add them to oatmeal, yogurt, or a smoothie. Even small, consistent portions provide a steady supply of antioxidants. Their sweetness satisfies without added sugar, balancing blood glucose and supporting gut health. 2 factors. Modern dermatology now links directly to youthful skin. And as you enjoy them, remember this simple truth: when you protect your collagen, you protect the foundation of your skin's future. 2. Bone broth, the foundation of rebuilding. Once your skin's defenses are strong, it's time to supply the raw materials it needs to rebuild. Collagen, the structural protein that keeps your skin firm and elastic, doesn't vanish with age. It simply slows down, waiting for nourishment and the right message from within. Bone broth provides precisely that nourishment. When bones are simmered slowly for hours, they release glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, the three essential amino acids fibroblast cells use to form new collagen fibers. Imagine those tiny collagen fibers intertwining beneath your skin, like silk threads weaving a stronger, smoother fabric day by day. It's quiet, unseen work, but it's how your skin remembers its strength. In a 2019 protein science study, women who consumed collagen peptides, the same amino acids found in bone broth, experienced measurable improvements in skin elasticity and hydration after just 8 weeks. Their skin didn't just look better, it functioned better. But the benefits go deeper. These amino acids also strengthen joints, ligaments, and connective tissues, helping your body feel as good as it looks. Many women report that as their skin becomes firmer, their movements feel lighter, more flexible, and more youthful, because what heals your skin also renews your body. For the best results, choose a broth made from chicken, beef, or fish bones. Sip it warm in the morning, use it as a base for soups, or enjoy it as a calming drink before bed. The key is consistency, because collagen renewal is not an instant event, but a living process that responds to daily care. When you continuously supply your fibroblast cells with the nutrients they crave, the difference appears slowly but steadily. Fine lines soften, texture smooths, and that quiet resilience returns to your skin. Think of bone broth not as a trend, but as a biological foundation, one that reminds your skin how to rebuild itself from within. And once your foundation is rebuilt, the next step is awakening the spark that brings it all to life. 3. Red bell pepper, the catalyst that activates collagen. Building blocks alone aren't enough. Just like bricks need mortar, collagen production needs activation, and that activation comes from vitamin C. After 50, your body's ability to process antioxidants declines, leaving your skin more vulnerable to oxidative stress. Vitamin C serves as both protector and activator. It acts as a cofactor for two key enzymes, prolyl hydroxylase and lysyl hydroxylase, that help fibroblast cells link collagen chains into strong, stable structures. Without enough vitamin C, those chains remain weak, leading to thinner skin, slower healing, and deeper lines. A landmark study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition revealed that women with higher vitamin C intake had fewer visible wrinkles and significantly better skin hydration compared with those who consumed less. Among all natural sources, red bell peppers stand out as one of the richest. Half a medium pepper contains nearly twice your daily vitamin C requirement, far more than an orange, and unlike many acidic fruits, peppers are gentle on digestion. They also contain carotenoids that protect existing collagen from UV damage while promoting a brighter, more even skin tone. Add half a red pepper to your daily meals, raw in salads, lightly roasted, or stirred into omelets and soups. It's a simple, colorful way to spark collagen activation and nourish your skin from the inside out. When paired with the amino acids from bone broth, vitamin C completes the collagen equation, the materials and the spark working in perfect harmony. It's like lighting up a sleeping factory. Your skin begins producing stronger, more resilient collagen again, layer by layer, day by day. Consistency over time leads to visible transformation. Not overnight, not dramatic, but gradual and lasting, the kind of beauty that looks like health, the kind that quietly returns as you feed your body what it truly needs. And as your collagen awakens, it's time to ensure it stays strong, held together by invisible bonds that resist time itself. 4. Garlic, the strength that holds it all together. But building collagen is only half the story. Just like a bridge needs strong cables to stay standing, your skin needs support to keep its collagen firm and resilient. That's where one powerful, yet often overlooked food steps in garlic. Now that collagen is being built and activated, it must be strengthened and maintained. This is where sulfur-rich foods like garlic play an indispensable role. Garlic's magic lies in its sulfur compounds, particularly allicin and taurine, which act as bonding agents between collagen fibers. These compounds help collagen stay firm yet flexible, preventing the brittleness that causes sagging and loss of elasticity. Imagine each strand of collagen, like a silk rope. Garlic's sulfur compounds are the invisible knots that tighten and hold that rope together, keeping your skin smooth, lifted, and strong. Research published in the International Journal of Biological Macromolecules confirms that sulfur plays a key role in maintaining dermal integrity, preventing enzymatic collagen breakdown, and supporting new tissue formation. Garlic also improves blood flow and reduces inflammation, ensuring that your skin cells are well supplied with oxygen and nutrients. Better circulation means more active fibroblasts and more collagen renewal. To maximize its benefits, crush fresh garlic and let it rest for 10 minutes before cooking. This brief moment activates alliinase, the enzyme that creates allicin, the compound responsible for garlic's remarkable therapeutic power. You don't need much. 1 or 2 cloves daily are enough. Mix it with olive oil and lemon juice for a simple dressing, add it to soups, or stir into sautéed vegetables. The flavor may be bold, but the impact on your skin and energy is profound. Picture it as a quiet architect, strengthening every beam and bond that keeps your skin firm and lifted. A patient once told me that after adding garlic regularly to her meals, her complexion looked clearer and her morning stiffness had eased. That's the beauty of garlic. It heals silently, from the inside, fortifying the invisible threads that hold your youth together. And now that your collagen network is strong and stable, the next step is keeping this renewal system alive every single day. That's where leafy greens come in, the quiet sustainers of lasting vitality. 5. Leafy greens, the lifelong sustainers of skin vitality. Every system needs maintenance, and in your body, leafy greens are the quiet heroes that keep everything running. Once collagen is built, activated, and reinforced, your skin still relies on a steady supply of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to sustain renewal. Dark leafy greens, spinach, kale, Swiss chard, and arugula provide exactly that. They deliver vitamin C, magnesium, copper, and zinc, all essential for keeping collagen-producing enzymes active. Zinc aids in DNA repair and cellular regeneration. Copper helps link collagen fibers for strength and elasticity. Magnesium regulates enzyme activity, while vitamin C keeps collagen chains stable. Studies in the Journal of Nutrition and Metabolism show that women with higher intakes of these micronutrients have stronger skin structure and fewer signs of oxidative stress. But greens do more than just feed your skin, they detoxify your system. Their chlorophyll supports liver function, helping clear waste that dulls the complexion. Meanwhile, lutein and zeaxanthin protect the dermal matrix from UV and environmental toxins. A daily habit of greens also supports hormonal balance by providing phytonutrients that modulate estrogen metabolism. This helps maintain skin hydration and firmness during and after menopause. Blend spinach into a morning smoothie, toss kale in a salad, or saute Swiss chard with garlic and olive oil, light cooking improves nutrient absorption. Women who eat greens daily often describe not only better skin tone, but a calmer mood and more balanced energy. That's the beauty of true nourishment. It touches every layer of your life, bringing it all together. So here's how the cycle works. Berries protect your collagen. Bone broth rebuilds it. Red bell peppers activate it. Garlic strengthens it. Leafy greens sustain it. Each step supports the next, forming a living biological rhythm that restores your skin's firmness, brightness, and vitality. To see visible changes, focus on steady nourishment, not drastic routines. Add one new food each week. Replace your afternoon snack with berries, sip warm bone broth instead of coffee, or brighten your plate with red peppers and greens. Stay hydrated. Water carries these nutrients to your cells and keeps your skin supple. And remember, your body doesn't ask for perfection, only consistency. Gentle repetition is what reawakens the fibroblast cells that have been waiting quietly to rebuild you from within. The most beautiful transformation doesn't happen overnight. It happens quietly, in the daily moments when you choose to care for yourself with patience and love. When you nourish your body with these 5 foods, you're not fighting age. You're cooperating with your own biology. You're giving your skin permission to heal, not just to look younger, but to feel alive again. If this message resonated with you, subscribe to Elders Living Better and share this video with another woman you care about. Because when women lift each other up with knowledge and kindness, we all age with more grace. And always remember, true radiance doesn't come from your mirror. It begins with how kindly you nourish yourself every single day.